Welcome to Low Cap Coin Research. Today I want to talk about trader or wallet ranking. But first, the disclaimer here. Everything I'm going to show you in this channel are only my ideas and not financial advices. Use all the information from me and this channel at your own risk, and please do your own research. So let's talk about how the wallet ranking version 1 works. By the way, this version was used to produce the Shiba Inu signal from the first video. So, in this case, the return on investment transactions explained in the previous video are utilized, and only Uniswap transactions are considered. Besides, only traders with the following properties are included. So traders who made more than 20,000 USD profit on all trades combined, which is the sum of all wins and losses in USD. And traders who made more than 100% profit on all trades combined. So with those two properties, many uninteresting traders to us are filtered out. Then we can do the ranking on the following 5 properties. The first one, the total return on investment in USD and percentage. You can think about it like this. A trader who made 50x gains in total is better than a trader who made only 3x gain. The second property is the count of different tokens the trader traded. Think about it like this. A trader who traded just 1 or 2 tokens is probably not a good predictor of finding a promising new token. And the trader who traded more than 100 different tokens is a bad predictor too, because he just buys everything and hopes that some of the tokens work for him. The third property is the share of trades with certainty over 70%. Think about it like this. In the first place, we want traders the DexTROI model has accurate data for. If you don't know what DexTROI is, then please check out the previous video. So 100% share for one trader means here that all trades of the trader have certainty above 70% in the DexTROI model. The fourth property is the share of trades where more than 1,000 USD was accumulated. Think about it like this. We want traders who are confident in the tokens they invest in. If the trader often invests just a small amount, like 100 USD, then he is probably gambling a lot. So 100% share for one trader means he invested a minimum of 1,000 USD in each of his tokens. So the last property is the share of trades where more than 10% return on investment was made. You can think about it like this. We want traders with consistent positive returns, not the lucky ones. 100% share for one trader means here he made a minimum of 10% return on investment on each trade. 50% share for one trader means he made a minimum of 10% return on investment on half of his trades. So if we do the ranking on these 5 properties, then we can say that all traders with a rank or strength more than 83 are the good traders. We want to observe what they will buy in the future. But to determine the proper rank or strength, we can look at the following graph. The left axis represents the count of wallets or traders, and the right axis represents the share between 0 and 1. You can count it on these lines here. It stands for 20%, this one stands for 40%, and this one stands for 60%, this one stands for 80%, and this one stands for 100% or 1. The horizontal axis shows the rank or strength. Actually, these are just buckets. So, for example, this bucket here has almost 600 traders, and all of them have a rank between 68 and 69. All the other lines, this one, this one, this one, and so on, represent the share of traders in a bucket. So let's look at this metric here, total turnover pairs 500 share. In this bucket here, at rank 80, we can see that nearly 60% of those traders in this bucket have made more than 500% return on investment in total. Here. Let's look at this brown line here. It stands for this metric, trade share turnover more 50 pairs 80 share. So you can read it backward. At rank 80, so here, it means that almost 60% of the traders in this bucket at rank 80 have the following property. A trader has in 80% of all his trades made more than 50% return on investment. Let's now look at the bucket at rank 89, so this one. You can read that all the traders in this bucket or with this rank have made more than 500% and more than 10,000% and more than 50,000% return on investment in total. Here are the colors for the metric, and you can see that they all are at 1 on this axis. But only 30% or so of the traders in this bucket have made more than 100,000% return on investment in total. This metric here. You can see that it's almost 30%. So you also can see that all the traders in this bucket here have the following property. A trader has made more than 0% return on investment, so no losses, in 80% of all his trades. It's this line here, and it's this metric here, and you can see that it's at 1 on this graph. So as you can see, all the graph lines, they start flat and then increases noticeably. The higher the graph line is, the better the rank or bucket is. This is because here at the beginning, only a small amount of traders with good ratings exist per bucket. Maybe those are just some lucky traders who made lots of losses and got one lucky trade, or the ranking algorithm needs some improvements. But we can see here that from rank 80, so here at this area, and the amount of traders with good ratings per bucket increases noticeably. Almost all graph lines have the exponential shape, so like this. And to me, it looks like that the ranking algorithm produced some promising results. For the next video, I decided to observe all traders with a rank higher than 83, so all traders in this area. And the next video will be about token ranking. So please support this channel. If you haven't already, then like, subscribe and share this video or make a donation. Thank you and see you in the next video.